Yo, what's up? Olivas _ CACM. Yeah, tell us about your whip, you know? What's your name?
Ace.
Ace?
Yeah.
What can they find you on Instagram?
Yeah, you know, 10K on the Benzo.
Oh my god.
No, reach.
Oh, yeah. So we got the Jose the Ace right here.
Yeah, Jose the Ace on whatever.
IG?
Yeah. So we got the Benz. We got a 2013 AMG C63. We got about 900 horsepower under here. V12 twin turbo. Yeah, you know the vibes. So far I spent about 95K, something like that, something light. That's a project car.
Project car?
It's kind of dirty. You can see it around. The interior you probably see it already, but that's basically how much.
What wheels you got on here? You know?
Wheels. We got the FORZA Horizon 4.
Damn, bro. Yo.
You put the silencers on the
Yeah.
Damn.
We haven't reviewed this shit, huh?
Hey, yo.
You done, bro?
I
put a badge, that's why.
You gotta review it. Open the hood. Pop the hood.
Nah, you can't, nah.
We have to review it.
It's so fucked, bro. It's so fucked.
Yeah?
Look. Nah, the drink's going, bro.
Yeah,
I don't know about that.
damn, motherfucker. Clean this paint in the fucking valley, you know?
Got the turbo here, twin turbo.
The new intake.
Yeah, you know vibes, yeah. Hey, who we finessing though?
Yeah, we're doing. Check the interior. You know?
That shit just opens.
Got the Gucci interior.
Yeah, check the Egyptian leather.
You're gonna get some headlights though.
You got that Egyptian leather. Yeah, you know the vibes. That shit clean out. Yeah, you know me. Let me pop up the hood.
Alright, hey, Jose, turn on all your lights.
Damn, bro. Let me see. Watch out.
So you gotta push it, bro.
Yeah, you know. We got.
Show him the fucking phone charger.
We got a twin turbo in here. I gotta open it. You know, I don't want to open it right now. It's all in here though. It's a V12, six cylinders right here, and then we got the intake. The intake. We got race mode.
That's like the demon one, huh?
Yeah, this is like the demon. I got another one right here.
Check it out. Look, it's like the demon.
It's the project car is not good. Good luck. I got another one right here.
You got the turbo over here. You know.
Yeah, we got the twin turbo
like
over here.
105 millimeter turbo over here.
I think it's 134 though, but
it's right there. You know.
I know your dipstick. It's like, what is it, bro? What brand?
AMG, bro. AMG.
I like that.
Yeah, you know me. Big dubs over here.
And the M's up for the homie Greg.
Yeah, you know the vibe.
Yeah, check the jet. Get the
fuck out of here. Hey, yo, let me go put my 270s on.
Get out of here. Go stay inside.
Yeah, but you know.
Where's the blinker fluid for this thing?
The blinker fluid's right here. It's over there.
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, that's my catch can. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know that.
Oh yeah.
And then.
How much horsepower for the wheel?
Horsepower right now, I'd say minimum 554, probably 555.
That's on low boost, huh?
No boost. Full throttle, probably about 850. Nah, I'll probably give it like 1,000.
This shit cracked as fuck.
Got an LS motor.
Yeah.
Yo. Alright, we got an LS motor.
We got
LS or out?
Both,
It's a Vortec.
Nah.
You're reading it wrong, bro. Yeah,
you gotta read it
tell us
backwards.
about the specs, you know?
If you say it backwards, it says LS.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Tell us about
Alright,
the
right
specs.
here, watch. All this holds the boost. As you
it's a
can
boost?
tell, it has pretty good amount, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's an inline because it goes
Inline?
straight like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know, something light. Right here, I
Blinker
actually,
fluid? Oh.
yeah, blinker fluid, but then like,
Yeah, put some what?
I just spray the nitrous in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then on top of that, I got some in there, but it's hidden, bro, because you know it's sleeper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, watch. These are the hidden turbos. It's because it's
Sleeper?
Sleeper.
No, when RSO wants to check your shit, you know.
Yeah, exactly. This added like 50 horsepower.
ROS.
Hey, bro, watch. Watch. Every time you squish it like that, it adds like 100 horsepower, bro.
Oh, word?
Not
Word?
even kidding, bro.
No cap.
Yo, Chi, you might blow my engine.
Oh
yeah. Word.
We got
We got a med kit just in case someone passes out. Like how fast this car is, bro.
Oh damn!
Oh,
You got a
shit.
med in there.
Right here, my nose runs through all these lines, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It's got a the intake. We took it out of Paul Walker's Skyline. And we put it in here, bro. You know what I mean? Chi?
Oh, how much was that? How much was that?
Oh, it's free. We just
Oh, you
ran
just
up
stole
on
it?
it. Yeah, we ran up on it, bro.
Hey, you got a lot of space over there.
Yeah. What's up with all the space?
Oh,
right
it's
here?
weight reduction, bro.
Weight reduction?
Oh wait.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
actually
yeah,
thinking
yeah.
of putting a giant turbo right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
Where's the
it's coming
baby?
in.
What's the 2 baby ones you have right now?
The 2 baby ones? Well, it's right there, like one right
Oh
there.
yeah, I forgot.
And then this one behind the aluminum paper.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, to keep it nice and warm.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. What the fuck is this?
Oh, you just gotta know it's American muscle.
American Muslim.
But look over here touching you. Something.
This dude looks like American Muslim. Built for tough. Yo,
Real
funny. I gotta tap
Yeah,
in
so-
some of it, you know?
And like I said, I'm trying to make it like seem as sleeper as possible.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
as stock as possible.
The dead stock.
Talk about the horsepower.
How much horsepower is
Horsepower?
that?
Yeah,
You see, I can't really say. You promised to beep it?
yeah, I'll beef it.
1,200, bro.
Oh yeah? The fuck? What you doing about that?
Too much sauce. I mean, it's hard to believe sometimes, but you know,
Tell us about the what transmission you got.
transmission.
it though.
I took it out of a. Oh, you want to gap it, bro?
Right. I can still gap it though.
I don't know, G. I mean, first beat Mario and then talk to me, bro.
I beat Mario already. Come on,
Nah, you did?
Yeah, I beat Mario already.
First beat Mario and then come to me, G. Because it's just like Mario plus 1, bro.
Nah, like, yeah.
I mean, it's because people
What
don't.
about the transmission?
The transmission, it came out of Vin Diesel's Charger.
Oh shit.
You know what I mean? People don't believe it, bro, but like it's true.
Yeah,
Out of his what? Out of his Charger.
it is.
The one from Fast. What is it? Fast?
Yeah,
Too
fast
fast.
17.
17 more.
Yeah, and how do you put it down to the ground, bro? What tire setup and wheel setup you
Oh, they're
got?
talking about the cheeks.
Oh, the cheeks.
No, well, we got some. No, yeah, you can put it.
Carbon fiber hood.
You see the
Yeah, you gotta do it slow.
You gotta check the interior.
Because if not, you're gonna get it mad, bro. And it might just gap every single.
Oh, it's
time.
not yours?
You wanna do it?
Yeah, it's mine.
Oh,
You
it's
said it wasn't.
because you said you're gonna get him mad. That's why it
You're
says.
gonna get it mad, not get
Oh,
it mad.
yeah?
my bad, pimp.
Yeah, G.
Yeah, let's check the interior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's sleeper, bro. Bro, stop being mad with your Explorer, bro.
Damn, bro.
So, look. I got this in Mexico.
Oh,
Imported.
Oh, so you're important.
Imported, yeah. 20 times 20, bro. That's 20 horsepower, bro.
Yo, Clemente Oliva, something in IG.
You can't show it on the video because it's I don't want to
it's
get in
hidden?
trouble.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's the nonsense down there, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll be better.
Alright.
Don't worry about it. Damn. It's not a single.
Oh, how much do these add?
How much horsepower do these add right here?
I mean,
It's kind of like a wing if you think about it.
adds power and it's aerodynamic.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How much downforce?
Downforce?
Oh, I see.
I don't know how to
Weight
tell you,
reduction
but
too,
I just
huh?
don't want to say too much information.
Sheesh.
These are the bags of all the turbos that I've gone through this break.
Oh.
They just can't handle the power.
Oh yeah.
Oh, word.
Let's talk about the wheel and tire setup.
Like, after getting gapped like 30 times, he doesn't know how to act.
He goes
anymore,
like
bro.
this. He goes like, whoa.
Wheel setup. I got some Hoosier off-roads
Yeah.
because I just came back from the desert.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Wait, what? You don't live in the desert?
Yeah, but I was on another day. I'm just traveling because I'm just rich. Bro.
Damn, is that a Supra?
Yo, watch out.
Watch out. Sheesh.
Don't touch the car now. Don't touch the car.
Let's get in.
Damn.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Okay. Weight
Bro,
reduction.
why you gelling? But it doesn't go
Wait.
in, but that's okay, bro.
No, are you serious?
Hey, is this safe?
Is this safe, bro?
It's alright. It fell on my head a few times, bro.
I
But you know what? We
won't
don't need it, bro. Yo. Keep it on the car, G.
Yeah, keep it on the car.
So you see, every spark plug, well, it's kind of coming out, bro. It's all good. They're GTR spark plugs.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so it runs the 85.
Yo, so update from last time, we upgraded the, to hold it in,
Yeah. Oh, we got a new intercooler.
The new intercooler.
Because it was kind of leaking because of all the power.
Yeah, a boost leak.
Yeah. We got a turbo.
Sheesh.
We got a. Is that a dead bird, bro?
Oh, what the
Hey,
fuck?
banana peel?
Yeah. I just thought I had some fun.
What you talking about?
I just thought I had like a little more power, you know.
Hey, you pull bitches in this or what? Stay loyal or pull
Yeah, I
bitches?
stay loyal.
Oh, yeah?
But
You could though, huh? If you wanted
I
to.
put my atones, yeah.
Oh, my atones.
Why you peep it at me?
I wasn't referring to Jose. I don't know. That was on him.
Oh, yeah.
I got built headers, but I got it covered so
bro.
that they won't see it.
Oh, that's true.
That's just crazy though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh,
Yeah.
9.
Shit,
Yeah,
nine?
Yeah,
You
bro,
nine?
people don't see it, bro, but it's there, you know. So I got built headers.
Built headers.
He just needs to install the turbo right here.
What-
He already has 2.
Wait, who made the headers? Who made the headers?
Like the O2 sensor.
The Compa Cesar Alba.
Yeah, shout out.
Shout out to Cesar Alba. He built them.
Why the fuck is this shit cut?
It's not cut, bro.
Oh
It's
shit,
just,
I'm looking
Bruh, go get your ice check, bro, on blood.
Anyway. No, you knew.
No, bro. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah,
bro.
I was looking at the wrong way.
The nose runs through all this, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you put it in? Through
Oh,
the,
yeah?
Where's the?
Where's the bottle?
Yeah.
I can't show it.
Oh, you can't show
It's
it?
in the trunk.
Yeah, for sure.
How much PSI?
Yeah, how much PSI do you run?
Oh, yeah.
How much?
Like 30 pounds.
30? On low boost? Low boost?
Low boost.
That's low boost?
I
what
think
is
I
high
tuned
boost?
again.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because with these new built headers by Cesar Alba.
That's a little misfire or what?
Yeah, it's got
Yeah.
check engine, but I'm gonna get it back running, you know what I mean?
Uh,
Oh, and then watch, there's check engine here, there's check engine here.
Tricks in here. Watch out with your fingers.
Watch out with your fingers.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Fuck with the badge though.
Yeah, got a
Yeah,
ghost.
you know,
It's a ghost.
Ray reduction. I actually
Yeah,
have it right
you
here.
can
Watch. I like how you can see it though. That's cool.
Look at this interior.
You can pop
Sheesh. You got a
He
dead
the
body
wing
in the
too,
back.
there's no wing.
Yeah. Just so like when the rear wheels, you know, like, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah? You can put more weight in the back,
Yeah,
so more
so-
traction.
So you see, I got a carbon fiber shift knob. I just got out of the
Make sure,
shit boot.
make sure it's in neutral.
Yeah, it's in neutral. It's in neutral. I got you. Got a boner right now.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, look.
Alcantara?
I got the little the how do you call it? It's like when with the thing you use to
Boost gauge?
yeah, there you go.
Boost gauge?
Yeah.
How much duty cycle are you running on right now?
Duty cycle?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your on and off button for the turbo? I mean,
For the knobs?
Yeah.
It's this little button right here, like in the middle.
What?
oh, press it. Oh, did you press it?
What's
I can't
like?
press it right now. It's gonna purge and everyone's gonna hear it, bro.
Oh, purge?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
And The Purge is a good movie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it?
That it came off
Imported from Japan or where?
it came off Vin Diesel's RX-7.
Oh shit, say?
Yeah.
Weight reduction.
So we got Chalino Sanchez's Tejano.
Yeah, I think that.
Before he died, I just took the Explorer and he was just always judging, bro.
What am I saying, bro?
I think he's part of the artist.
Yeah.
Hey, what? Oh, yo, chill. Friendly, family friendly, bro.
Hey, yeah.
Yo, chill. Chill. Yo. Chill. What fuel are you running?
What fuel?
Yeah.
I was gonna get it out tuned on E85, but I actually got tuned on diesel.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so
More torque or what?
more torque, more everything, G.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 85, bro. Everyone got 85.
Is he trying to kill me? Hey, bro. Chill.
After listening to Eslabon Armado's new album.
Sheesh. C63, you know?
It's a sleeper, bro.
Sleeper.
It just Jose's different. Look, he got a single exit right there.
Jeez, Tommy?
Hey, yo.
Yo, that's dual, eh? Hey, bro. Shit, bro.
Hey, yo, you
Shit hurt.
After all those dollars here, but we hate Benzo.
Why?
We just do.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, bro, chill.
It was a joke, bro.
Sheesh.
I might just do it, though.
Yeah, sheesh. Back the fuck up, everyone.
Paranoid.
Damn, what are you holding, bro? You holding oxygen in there.
Oh, chill, bro.
What are you drinking, bro?
He's holding the cure to coronavirus.
Sell these car.
Damn, bro. What? You moving the whole car? 10K on the benzo?
10K on the benzo.
What the fuck? Yo.
Wait, they're recording us? Nah, play. Yo. Jose the Ace on Instagram, you can find me. You know me. We got
I don't even know how to do it. Cut that.
We got
Do it
the-
again.